Hello everyone. This printer is HP Envy 6120. It's currently connected to a wireless network. If you look on the Wi-Fi light is steady blue light. If it's not connected, the light will be flashing. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer and your computer using a USB cable. We're going to disable Wi-Fi network. So go to the menu, select the menu button, scroll down to the settings, select network, select Wi-Fi, switch the Wi-Fi off. Wi-Fi is turning off. We'll show you Wi-Fi not configured or connected. Then you go back to the home page, and if you look, the blue light is off. Now to connect this printer and your laptop together using a USB cable, so turn the printer around and take this part of USB cable, connect it to this port on the top, to the USB cable port. Take the other end of the cable, connect it to the laptop, and you will hear a tune to show you there is a connection. The next thing to do is you go to laptop settings, select laptop settings, go to printers and scanners, then add a device. When you add a device, then you wait for the printer to refresh. Then scroll down and look for HP Envy 6100 series. Select on it. The printer is showing us how to print test page. So the document is printing. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your HP Smart Universal Printing USB Group 3 on laptop. It will show you Postnet USB 068 data raw HP Smart Universal Printing. So this is a test page to show you that the printer and laptop both are connected together using a USB cable, and we printed out document. Thank you very much indeed.